Hello, welcome back to another Destination Modified video. Today we're actually leaving Dumfries to go up to Adam LZ Fest in Ireland. So we've got a long day ahead. The weather isn't looking too great, it looks like it's going to piss down. But so yeah, we're going to leave today. It's roughly about 8:15 in the morning. We've got the ferry at 11:30. So myself and Mark behind the camera are going to head to Tesco, get some snacks, and then we'll head to the ferry. If we see anything exciting, we'll capture it on the camera. We're going to kind of do a little bit of a sightseeing in Ireland when we get across there, because we've got pretty much half a day by the time we get over there. So we'll record this, and I reckon it'll probably be about 3 videos of the actual event itself. So you'll have Friday, Saturday and Sunday. We're there the whole time. We're taking the S15 across, so hopefully it doesn't break, and we've got European breakdown cover, so that could come in helpful. But yeah, we'll catch up with you shortly.
Let's go. Yo, I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shoot tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes, new tracks, like who's that?
So we're about 30 minutes away from actually getting to Cairnryan where the boat is. And we've managed to find a convoy somehow. We've got I take it it's an IS200, I can't really tell from here, an Ibiza and a Mark II MX5. Have a look in front. How f***ing sick is that? On the boys! Sick, bro.
I'm new, come back better than last. Yeah, it's a new me, never gonna look back. I'm never gonna look back, cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change, slowly take a step today. I will never be the same, cause that's what it takes.
So we have arrived at the ferry, as you would see over there. That is the one we will be boarding. So yeah, now we just have to wait for like an hour and a half. So yeah, we've actually been parked up in a wee lineup, wee BM, wee IS200 and Altezza. We're gonna have a wee skeg. You know more about BMs than I do, Mark?
No, I do not.
Trying to avoid the traffic, mate.
Yeah.
Altezza yours, is it? Aye, stunning, mate. So that last clip kind of got caught off a little bit, mainly because we spoke to the lad that actually owns the Altezza, the boys that own the IS200 and the BM, and there's a little MX5 up the top as well, but it's in a different queue for some reason. But yeah, all sound is out, by the way. We didn't even expect to see any decent cars here. To be fair, we're like surrounded by just normal. But yeah, that was sick. So those boys are absolutely spot on. And they Mark!
They're no bad like.
No bad like. Right. Anyway, we'll update you when we're driving this shed onto the ferry, and then if I rip off my Aero bumper, we can all have a laugh at that.
I'll get a video, don't worry.
Yeah, yeah. Fingers crossed that does not happen. We're getting the lower deck, hey. Let's hope. Oh my god. That's a bump, like. Oh no. Oh, this looks alright. Oh my god. Please nah. Please nah.
Get it, bro.
Great success. As you can see, we're now on the ferry. It's a bit windy, so I don't know how well this is going to get picked up, but we're probably about an hour away from Ireland. Well, we land in Belfast, then we'll have to drive down to Dublin, so we shall catch up with you shortly. Look at how nice this looks. We've actually got a space where every car alarm isn't going off, because it was unreal earlier. We tried to film a bit, but it was like, as you can see, oh, it's actually turned off. Both of these were going insane. We've got a little lowered 5 Series BM there, mate. Ferry, and we're now driving in Ireland. So we, like I said before, we got off at Belfast. Now we're currently en route to the hotel, which is, it's kind of like halfway between Dublin and Mandello Park. So it's the Maldron Hotel. So once we get there, in fact we'll probably update you when we're at the border, because that's very exciting. So yeah, but so far it's looking pretty grim, if Mark turns around. The weather's not looking that great, and the motorway is as boring as usual. So we will update you very soon. Why can't I speak? Just say soon! Why did I say soon? Every f***ing time! Oh my god. We have now arrived at the hotel. Mark is currently swiping Tinder, bless him. Good man. This is the room. No cuddling tonight, Mark. That's my bed.
Raging.
Raging indeed. But yeah, it's pretty sick actually. It sounds like it's going to be a f***ing noisy night though, because we're right next to the f***ing motorway, which is just out there. But yeah, we're gonna head off. Get a Mackey's, I know, cute little man date at a very swanky McDonald's restaurant. But yeah, we'll catch up with you shortly. So we've had a lovely little Mackey's day, haven't we, Mark?
Yes, we have.
So we're gonna go and try and find some cool roads, get some footage on the roads and stuff like that. A lot of the bits that we were gonna go are like about an hour away, which isn't really what we want to do because it's getting late anyway, and it's supposed to be down soon. So we're going to try and find some roads that are kind of close by, and then if we see any cool roads and cool scenery, we'll put them in after this. If not, this bit, it probably isn't even in the video because we've probably got lost. See you shortly! And we have managed to find a sick road. This is the R115, the old military road, before I forget. Yeah, we managed to find some viewpoint, which was alright, but it wasn't like any good for actually taking the car to. And then we just kept going along this road, and clearly people have been having a good bit of fun on this road. That was not me.
It was.
Disclaimer.
It was.
It was not me. But yeah, have a look at that. yeah, we're gonna head back. Hopefully the wind noise isn't too bad, because we do have like a dead cat on the top of the mic, but it seems to be pretty bad. But we're gonna head back to the hotel now, get changed, probably go out for a couple of drinks at a local pub somewhere, and then attend the show in the morning. So we'll catch you then. So yeah, we went on that little drive. You've seen the footage, it was pretty sick. It was a nice road. We've now back at the hotel, obviously, because we're in the hotel room. Have a look outside. Lovely little view of the car, which is pretty banging.
It's not focusing.
It's not focusing.
No, because the wind.
Ah, you get the gist. Camera's dog poo, but we move. So we're going to go down to the bar just now in the hotel, see if it's decent. If not, we'll take a trek out. We're not going to take the camera, obviously, so we shall catch you tomorrow morning. Missed the boat now, Mark. Where's the boat at?
It's going.
Honestly, this guy is a cameraman. Poor show.
I was waiting. We'll get closer, I was waiting.
F for effort, mate. We're basically at the boat now. Literally 5 minutes away. We could see it at the top of that hill, but Mark took about 30 years to pull the camera out. Why are you zooming in?
I'm trying to zoom in because your face is right up against it. Oh, I should took my money away.
You're playing though. Reverse eye. Mark, this is hard to watch.
It's just hard to drive.
Finished 6th.
Beat by a challenger, bro.
What do you have to say for yourself, Mark?
I'm not very good.
Don't know what I'm gonna say.
He said
I'm turning into Callum, mate. What the fuck?
He's had one drink, boys.